Yo, what's happening, guys? Back with another one, not expected, but here we are. This is an MT07 episode. We're gonna be swapping out the bars on this bad boy, and the grips, and the throttle tube. So catch you soon. All the parts in one bit before Em just unscrew them.
No, too tight. You need the thing.
That's what she says. Ooh.
So number 8.
There you go. I can't let go of my handlebars for longer than a couple of minutes because the bars start shaking.
Need to get this off.
Fuck yeah, now. Shit. My bad. There we go. We're gonna need a throttle. Oh my days! Even the throttle is one smaller. Fuck me.
Disgusting, filthy.
Ugh.
There wasn't even any grease on there.
Ooh. This isn't for this.
Yeah, I can tell. There we go. Coming off, boys. Coming off.
Fucking OEM glue. Satisfaction.
Ching!
Fuck. You mean the clutch?
Yeah, you need to take off the clutch. I'm pretty sure you do. So screw it all the way in. In, not out.
Ow. In.
You have to take the lever off.
Yeah.
Do you have any spacers?
That's what I was gonna ask you. Do you want to do the spacer mod?
Fucking might as well. Maybe that'll fix that weird wobble I get when I'm turning at high speed.
Slow down before turning, my friend.
Oh, friend.
Wrong side.
Of course.
It's alright, it's pro tapers. I'm stronger than you, bro.
I didn't have a ratchet like that. I had some weird one. It kept jumping.
That was funny though, it kept on turning me around as well. Fucking hell. My one on my grom just came off straight away.
Yeah, this one was on solid.
Cool. Next up will be... I'm gonna go back. Now I won't know what goes first.
Put the clutch. Yeah, this is gonna be the mission, fam. We put hairspray on so it can slide through. It's gonna scratch this up. Back at it again. We managed to get the grip on. Yeah, sorry. Don't want to. Bar ends won't really fucking save the boss from bending when you fucking drop it anyway.
Can I have them then?
Beautiful, beautiful. We did it. It was the slack.
Right. Yo, back the next day with my boy MJ. We managed to put everything together. We pulled up at this nice big parking lot and we're gonna shoot some cinematics for the MT07. So I hope you enjoy this one. Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Got more videos coming, going out tomorrow to record the 100 gram mods that I've done for it, and I'm going to be recording every day because I'm off for 2 weeks. Sorry some of the videos didn't come out as they were supposed to. Instead of recording like this, I was time-lapsed it, and then when I was on the MT07 riding it, I was actually speaking to you guys, but obviously time-lapse don't record audio, so too bad. But till the next one, peace, ride safe.